Yeah, so what's good, guys? I'm back with episode 2 of the trading journey, and I'm here to show you how things went today. It was actually not a good day, but we managed to cut down the losses, and we are still above 1%. So I'm going to take you through how today was, and let's see. So first of all, I came in the market very early today. I was here by 8 a.m. in the morning. If I check my sessions, that is still Tokyo session, the Asian session there. That's what I mean. So that's what's up. So in the 4-hour chart, I saw this order block. So this order block, and it was really nice. And price tapped in several times. And it fooled me. It took me for a fool, and I was sure that I can get humbled at any time. So there was my 15 minutes order block, tapped in nicely. Price started going up. I was waiting for a break of structure here, but it didn't happen. Bad luck, I was also not around my setup, so my trading setup. So when I came back, I was already out. So I sat down watching what the market was going to show me. And actually, this losing trade here, we were down about 1.2%, I think. Yeah, 1.2%. And that really pissed me off. But anyway, that's how the game is. That's how trading is. So I said, okay, let's see. Remember, there was also news coming up today. And I was chilling and waiting for a better setup to appear. So I was watching the markets frequently. And suddenly at around 2 p.m., and that is London session right here in Kenya, I saw a massive bullish candle to the top side, and I knew buyers were in the market. So I got in right here. After getting in, price was misbehaving. It didn't want to go up the way it went. So it was time to take partial profits. Actually, I was targeting for a 1:3, but the volatility was not strong enough by then to give me that. So I got out when I was floating about $41, almost 1% of my account. And as you can see, the price is still playing around this order block. I don't know when it's going to react to it nicely, but it's still playing around this order block. So that's what's up. So today, let me show you my account overview. We are back to a profit of $87.83 from $104 yesterday. If you can remember, we were up 2%, and now we are back to 1.76. Not a bad sign. But anyway, losses are there to be taken by the people who trade. So, and it's upon a trader to minimize loss. That's what I was trying to do today. So we lost $55 today, as you can see right here. And we managed to get back in and recover $38 in profit. So at least we are above 1%. Yeah, so that's what's up. News that was there today was these core retail sales. And retail sales, there were actually 2 of them, and they didn't push market much more anyway. But I'm out already. I'm not in any trade at the moment. So let's wait for Thursday. I'm not going to be trading tomorrow on Wednesday because of the CPI at 9 a.m. And also the FOMC, federal funds rate, and all these US news. I don't trade news actually, so I won't be trading tomorrow. Yeah, That's what's up. So we'll be meeting on Thursday. Thursday also I don't think we'll be trading because there will be no volatility. But I'll check. I'll try and see what London session has. If volatility is there, we'll get in. That's what's happening. So that's how I traded today. I was smoked by this trade here and managed to recover about $38 back before news. So news came back and pushed to the upside. This candle, I was already out when this news candle, before this news candle came up. But yeah, so that's it. So let's meet on the next episode. Remember, I'm trying to show you guys that I have a journey to work with you guys. So remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and share your thoughts on this. So that's what's up. So we were down a percent, then we came back up $38, but we didn't recover the full profits. I hope to see you on the next video. Cheers. Bye.